Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can enable VNC viewer in Raspberry Pi. And I'm using Raspberry Pi B model B plus. So open up your terminal and type sudo rasp config, then after press enter. After that, go to the 5 option, then after select VNC. Would you like to enable? Then click yes. VNC enabled, click OK, right? Then after click on finish. So actually that is how to enable VNC viewer in Raspberry Pi. Actually that is an end of our tutorial of today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, share and subscribe for the next video update. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.